Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathcard by Nidhi. So today in this video we are going to do an activity to find out the parts of circle using the paper folding method. Basically, you know, a circle is a collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant, and that fixed point is known as center. So today we are going to find out some parts of the circle, that how to represent and how to understand the concept of parts of circle using the paper folding method. So for that activity we required some material. We required some colorful papers, scale, scissors, white sheets for doing that activity, Fevicol, any circular object, any object used to make the circle. You can use a bangle, you can use a compass, you can use any bottle caps, and some sketch pens, right? So let us start. I am using the bangle over here to make the circles. You can use of any your choice. We required 8 circles for the activity. So I am doing like this. One circle, and I am cutting it with the help of scissors. So here I have 8 circles. You can use the same color paper for making each circle, or you can use some different colors or multicolors. It is totally depending upon you. So now we will take our sheet, we will take the circles. I'm taking the first circle over here, and the first circle I'm going to just fold it half, and then again I will fold one more time. I will get a center here and some foldings over here. So by this use of sketch pen, I'm going to draw the circle center. This is the center, right? And on the any one of the fold, you can make a line, and that we can define as a radius. So this is the center and this is the radius. I'm going to paste this over here. And this I name as number 1. We have a center, that is O, and number 2 we have a radius, that is OA. So I am naming it here. This is O and this is point A. So O is the center and OA is the radius. Now I am using my second circle. For that I am going to just fold it half. I got the line over here. This I am going to draw it. And this is our second figure, that is diameter. Similarly, we are going to paste it. This is PQ. Figure number 3, that is diameter PQ. So here this line is known as the diameter. Next figure, we'll take the third circle and we'll fold it from anywhere. Not exactly the half, it should be like that. So same, I'm going to make the line. This is our next figure, that is AB. Number 4, that is a code. AB, right? I have taken now next page. Now I'll take our next circle. This also I am going to fold it like how I did in the code. But before making it the line, I am going to paste this earlier. I am going to paste it here, and then I will define the line. This is the line passing through the circle is known as the secant. So here I am writing the name of the secant as xy. So this is the secant, secant, secant xy. Now we have the next circle. I am using the next circle for showing you the arc and the circumference. So here I am directly pasting the circle. The boundary all around the circle. The boundary around the circle, this one. This green line, this is the sixth part, that is circumference, that is also known as the perimeter of the circle, which is all around round. And for arc, any of the part of the circumference, like I have used this one, this is known as the arc. So arc will be named as using 3 points. Suppose it is here A, O, B. So A, O, B is the arc using this symbol. Now I'm going to take the next circle for showing you the segment. Again I'm folding it like how we have folded for the code portion. So this I have folded over here, and I am going to make the line using the scale. Now I am going to shade this all, the down one. So the shaded portion, the portion differentiated, distinguished by using the code, the shaded portion, which is the smaller one. Always the smaller portion is known as the minor, and the bigger portion is known as the major. So this is major segment, and this is minor segment, right? The portion separated by the code. So it is two parts. The smaller one will known as minor. It can be upside also, it can be down also. The bigger one is known as the major. So I have shaded the minor segment over here. Now I am using my third sheet. So for sector purpose, you need to fold this twice, like how we did in the first circle. This I have folded over here, and I got some linings over here. Using that, I am going to draw two circles, two adjacent radius, this one, and I am going to shade this portion. Same as like how we did in the code, and we got two segments, major segment and minor segment. Here we are dividing this portion like a sector, the area bounded by an arc, this is the arc, and two radius. The area between the arc and two radius is known as a sector. So the smaller portion again over here we'll name as it minor, and the bigger portion we'll name it as the major. So it is a minor sector and a major sector. This I'm going to paste. So you can paste it anywhere. So this portion, now it is our 9th figure, that is known as sector. So this is the minor sector and this is the major sector, right? Now we'll take our last circle. That circle I'm going to paste it like his, and this is our 10th part. I have pasted over here. Now I have drawn a line just touching the circumference like this at one point. So this is known as the tangent of a circle, this one, right? So we can name it as a single alphabet, tangent M, with a small letter. After this activity is finished. Now you can decorate your sheets according to yours. Like I got the 3 sheets over here, 1, 2 and 3. So you can decorate them according to your choice. You can make any design. It totally depends upon you, your creativity. So I am using the simpler one, which can be used by every one of you, whether you are very good in drawing or not. So you can use this simple design which I am showing you right now. So here we have all 10 parts of a circle. I hope you enjoyed the activity. You can also try it at your home and you can use this in your art integrated projects of mathematics. This is all. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Bye bye. See you soon.